Make a great choice today with the 2025 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater, glass breakage sensor. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.